Hi guys, I'm Rio. I'm a beauty writer at The Strategist, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the most natural fake freckles possible. In the past year or so, I've been noticing fake freckles everywhere. I saw them on Selena Gomez in the Fetish music video. I've seen them on Emrata. I've seen them in tons of editorial shoots. And I was kind of curious how all these people were getting it done. There's a lot of different methods to fake freckles. I know some makeup artists say that they dip a brush into paint and then they flick the brush so it creates freckles that way. I know a lot of people like using a kohl eyebrow pencil and dotting it onto your skin. But when I finally found this Freck pen, I decided to give it a go, and it really is the easiest way to achieve fake freckles. It's a teeny tiny little dainty tip. So you kind of just paint the freckles on by dotting them onto your skin like this. I always say that don't think about it, just dot them on, because that way they'll end up looking the most natural. If you try and be too precise, then they're just gonna look a little bit unnatural. If you want them to be super, super subtle, leave them on for 2 seconds. If you want them to be a little bit more dramatic, then you let them sit like I have just now. And then you take your pointer finger and you literally just pat them into your skin. So I'm gonna do this side now. So you just dot them on and then use your index finger and just blot them into the skin like this. And what's really nice about this product is when you use your finger, it actually picks up some of the pigment so that it creates more freckles. I like to bring them around here too, because that's where a lot of people with freckles actually have them as well. So these I blended out immediately, so they're really soft and subtle. These I left on for a little bit longer, so they're a little bit more dark. So you can kind of see all different shades of freckles it'll give you. It's a really nice way to get that freckly, been in the sun look to your skin. So the most important thing to do with these freckles is set them, because if you don't set them, honestly, they're gonna move all over your face pretty much immediately, especially while it's still hot out. So just take any kind of setting powder. I'm using this glass powder from Ojai, which is one of my favorite new powders. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit of setting powder over where I put the freckles, just so they stay in place for as long as possible. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the New York Magazine channel and check out The Strategist. That's where all my articles live.